Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Monday Morning Minute. Another beautiful day here in Vienna. Off to the gym. Today I want to talk to you guys about a concept of content writing called evergreen content. And this specifically applies to those of you who either write blog posts or schedule content for your social media. But evergreen content is about sharing well-researched and up-to-date content. I know a lot of people think of content writing as something they just need to get out of the way maybe that month. And surprisingly, I know a lot of people who write content for the entire month at one sitting and then just schedule it and let it go. I think a month is too long. If you're going to be doing that kind of stuff, you need to be doing at least a week because you need to be up to date with what's going on. Your content needs to be relevant to what's going on in your business, what's going on in the world. That'll help you be more relevant and more relatable and seem more real on social media. So embrace it, and I'll talk to you guys next Monday.